controversy in Telangana after a viral video of BJP Member of Parliament from Malkajgiri, Itala Rajender, physically assaulting a real estate broker in Medachal district of the state. That video that's playing on your screens is of the BJP MP confronting the real estate broker who allegedly falsified documents and was evicting and harassing the poor in the area with muscle power. Reports say that after complaints of land grabbing and forcible evictions from local residents, the MP visited the area and confronted the real estate broker at the Pocharam area of Medachal district. After the MP slapped the real estate broker, as you see on your screens, his supporters pounced on him, assaulted the man as well. Is this a brazen case of a member of parliament taking law into his hands, or justified anger against the broker? That's the big question. Uma Sudhir sets it up for us.
Malkajgiri MP from the BJP, Mr. Itala Rajender, actually slapping a real estate businessman in Ekashila area within his constituency. Something that has shocked people because he is spoken about this issue of the land in that area, and he says it is the most vulnerable sections of the population who are paying a price because of misdeeds of the officials. What Mr. Rajender is saying is that the forging of the documents has happened because officials are misusing their authority in order to create fake documents, and the land that was allotted as early as in 1985, meaning 40 years ago, to very very backward sections of the population. He said those include the lowest employees in the government as well, in multiple departments, whether it is revenue or finance or other departments as well, and they had bought the land and they were unable to construct it because at that time the area was not developed and they were not able to do that, and subsequently that land has changed hands multiple times, and he says this is because of the complicity of the officials there, and he says he has raised this issue to not just the collector and the Rajkonda CP. He has also raised the issue to the revenue authorities and also to the revenue minister, Mr. Ponguleti Srinivas, and he says that he is going to stand with those people to fight this battle. As of now, no information whether any case would be booked against Mr. Itala Rajender for the assault that he did on this person who has been accused of cheating or rather harassing the poor people of that area.